Everyone dreams of making a shitload of money, but not many actually know what it takes. So let's skip the fluff and get into practical, real-world strategies that can put serious cash in your bank account over time. No shortcuts, just smart moves that build real wealth. Start by identifying what makes you unique and turning that into money. People are willing to pay for something they can't get anywhere else. What do you do better than most people? Maybe you're a natural with people, incredibly organized, or a whiz with details. Figure out your unique value and start making it pay off. Investing in valuable skills can be a game changer. Some skills naturally command higher pay, and if you're serious about making a lot of money, focus on those. Skills like coding, digital marketing, consulting, investing, public speaking, and sales have high demand and big earning potential. Build those, and you'll open doors to serious income. Relying on a single source of income is a quick way to cap your earnings. Diversify how you make money by creating multiple income streams. It could be a combination of a main job, freelancing, investing, a side hustle, rental income, or selling products. Mixing active and passive income helps you build wealth faster and protects you if one source dips. Investing is essential for anyone serious about growing their money. Don't wait until you have tons of cash. Start with what you have. You could try index funds, ETFs, or stocks, and if you're ready for it, look into real estate or high-growth startups. Consistent investing lets compounding work its magic, so the earlier you start, the more you can grow. Starting a business is a classic route to wealth, but aim for something that has a proven demand. You don't have to create something groundbreaking. Instead, look at profitable areas, identify any gaps, and improve them. Whether it's e-commerce, digital products, consulting, or a service, a well-run business can be a financial game changer. Negotiation is often overlooked, but it's key to maximizing your earnings. Whether it's your salary, a freelance rate, or even a business expense, negotiate every time. Employers are often open to higher pay for good employees, and clients are willing to pay for top-notch work. Learn to negotiate effectively and make it a habit. It's money left on the table if you don't. Saving is great, but building wealth means growing your money. A lot of people save but never go beyond that. Think about ways to make your money work harder. Savings accounts with high interest are good, but investments, property, or even small businesses can grow your wealth much more. Building wealth takes some calculated risk, but it's worth it. Leverage technology and AI to boost your income. Today, tech can help you automate, streamline, and scale your earnings. From AI tools that increase productivity to platforms for passive income, technology can become your financial ally. Find tools that can help you do more with less and see how they can increase your bottom line. The people you surround yourself with impact your success. Spend time with high earners, and their mindset, strategies, and motivation will influence you. High-earning people often share ideas and opportunities that can help you earn more, so connect with those who push you to aim higher. Don't underestimate the value of a side hustle. Side hustles are a great way to make extra income without giving up your main job. Freelancing, reselling, or providing a service can all start small and grow over time. Pick something you're interested in, focus on making it profitable, and watch as it turns into a significant income stream. In today's digital age, building a personal brand can open up new income streams. Whether you're a freelancer, business owner, or consultant, having an online presence can attract clients, investors, or customers. Social media platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, and TikTok are powerful for growing a brand that attracts high-paying opportunities. It takes time, but it's a long-term investment that pays off. Sales and marketing are essential skills for anyone looking to make serious money. Even if you're not in sales, learning to sell can help you in any field. Understanding marketing, sales psychology, and persuasion means you can land better deals, clients, and promotions. It's about communicating the value of what you offer, and that's useful. No matter what you do, constant learning and adaptability are key to staying relevant in the job market. Take courses, read, network, and stay current in your industry. The job market changes constantly, and today's high-paying skills might not be the same in a few years. If you keep learning and stay open to new ideas, you'll be ready to pivot and find new ways to earn no matter what changes. Networking with the right people can change everything. Attend events, join groups, and reach out to those excelling in your field. Good networking can lead to collaborations, partnerships, and jobs that you might not find otherwise. And remember, if you bring value to others, they'll often help you, too. The right network can help you achieve financial goals much faster. Building passive income is one of the most powerful ways to earn. Active income is great, but passive income brings real financial freedom. This might be rental properties, dividends from investments, or a product that sells on its own. Passive income lets you focus on new income sources or enjoy life more, all while your money continues to grow. One critical aspect is learning to identify market gaps. People often overlook everyday annoyances that, with a bit of creativity, could be solved profitably. Start paying close attention to inefficiencies in products, services, or processes in your day-to-day life. Businesses are born from small observations and often cater to simple but unmet needs. Find a niche, address a gap, and you'll find demand. Another key approach is collaborating on profitable projects. Instead of attempting to tackle everything solo, look for partners or mentors who bring complementary skills and resources. Teaming up can bring down costs, increase quality, and help you scale faster. The best ventures are rarely done alone. Find partners who can multiply your reach and expertise. Take advantage of current economic trends and industries on the rise. If there's a booming field, such as renewable energy, tech, or sustainable products, consider ways to tap into it. Emerging industries often have gaps and lower competition compared to established fields. By positioning yourself early in these growing sectors, you can benefit as demand rises. Mastering emotional control with finances is an underrated skill. Avoid letting excitement lead you into impulsive investments or fear keep you from seizing a valuable opportunity. High earners understand that emotions are a factor, but they don't let them dictate decisions. Practicing patience, self-awareness, and discipline can significantly impact your financial decisions and lead to better long-term wealth. Finally, building your personal brand is one of the most effective long-term wealth strategies. A personal brand is like a magnet, attracting clients, employers, and partners. Whether you're a freelance writer, a consultant, or a product creator, your brand sets you apart. Create content that showcases your knowledge, interact with others in your field, and establish yourself as someone to turn to. Over time, this kind of brand equity can generate a massive network and high-paying opportunities.